We arrived in Apollo Bay, a peaceful coastal town nestled between rolling green hills and the open ocean. The streets had a quiet buzz with pubs, cafes and locals going about their day. It's the kind of place that feels instantly welcoming.
What are you doing?
At the brew house on one wall, there was a colourful mural explaining how beer is made. We settled into the beer garden, which had a relaxed coastal vibe.
Alright, no rush. I'm just gonna make it out.
The front seating offered clear views of the nearby park and the sea beyond. It was perfect for a bit of people watching as locals and travellers strolled past. For starters, we had calamari and eyelet dip with salad and chips, and then a classic chicken parma. The food was good. Once we reached the beach, I unpacked the drone. Conditions were ideal. I flew it out over the waves and performed a classic dronie, drifting backward and upward out to sea. From the air, Apollo Bay came into full view, the curved shoreline and the town. It was the perfect way to set the scene from above that really showcases where we are. From our spot on the beach, I guided the drone gently north towards Apollo Bay's small harbour. I kept a respectful distance. Even from afar, the view was stunning. Fishing vessels bobbing quietly, seagulls circling overhead, and the curve of the jetty reaching out into the water like a protective arm. It gave a lovely sense of scale and contrast the calm of the harbour against the open sea behind it. Next, I flew the drone south along the shoreline, skimming the beach as waves curled gently onto the sand. The coast stretched ahead, dotted with sunbathers and beachgoers, while the hills rose softly in the background. Then I turned the drone back toward town, with Apollo Bay coming into frame. To finish the sequence, I brought the drone in from the north, giving a sweeping aerial view that tied everything together: the town, the beach, and the hills in one stunning perspective. I captured one more dronie, this time with my grandson Albie and family. We stood on the sand, waving as the drone pulled away toward the sea. Later in post-editing, I reversed the footage to bring the drone back toward us, giving it a fun, almost cinematic feel, like we were welcoming the viewers in. Now sit back and watch some more drone footage of me flying around over the sea, capturing memories of my family and friends enjoying this beautiful place of Apollo Bay on the Great Ocean Road. I hope that you are enjoying the video. Please consider giving me a like and thumbs up. And if you would like to see more like this, why not think about subscribing and hit that notification bell.
Go! Go!
After a full day of exploring Apollo Bay and capturing drone footage, we headed to our accommodation for the night. Chris's beacon point tucked away in the hills above town.
Well, nice.
Once we arrived, we were greeted with elevated views that stretched across the coast and hinterland, truly a perfect place to unwind. The apartment had a warm, rustic feel with all the modern comforts, large windows framing the landscape, and a deck where we could sit back and take in the fantastic views.
Look at this. It's on the key. Wi-Fi password is on the key. I don't think Angie will be stood out there myself. This is amazing, this place. Look at the state of this. Oh, we're staying here. What a view. The view is spectacular up here.
In the morning, I sent the drone up again, this time over Chris's beacon point. The elevation gave me a chance to really showcase the area's natural beauty. Lush treetops rolling down towards the coast, with Apollo Bay tucked neatly below. As the drone climbed higher and went further away, it captured the full area of this beautiful hotel and the layered textures of forest and hills. It was those shots that needed no filters, just the drone, the light, and that incredible view. The following morning began at Cafe 153, one of Apollo Bay's cozy local spots, perfect for a relaxed breakfast to round off the trip. But as breakfast wound down, it was time for goodbyes. We shared hugs, promises to keep in touch, and smiles tinged with a touch of sadness. There's always that feeling when a great trip comes to an end, grateful for the memories, but wishing for just one more day. With final waves and well wishes, we parted ways, already looking forward to the next time we'd meet.
cuddles?
Give Uncle Jack a cuddle.
Big cuddle from Uncle Jack.
Oh, that's nice.
Phone back.
I want my phone back, yeah.
Where's my truck's gone?
You want to Kelsey a cuddle?
Yeah, you can give it a cuddle. Oh, big cuddle.
What's wrong with
Apollo Bay had given us more than we expected. Stunning views, shared laughter, and moments we'll carry with us long after the journey fades.